Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can force restart your iPhone if it is frozen or frozen. Please, friends, subscribe to this channel, put likes under the video, and write your comments. So friends, let's get into this topic. And let's say if you have something happen to your iPhone. Let's say it was in cold temperature for a very long time, or if it froze and for some reason you can't turn off your iPhone in the usual way. Then I will show you now a very simple combination that will help you reboot your iPhone, after which it should work as usual. So in order to force restart your iPhone, you'll need to press the top sound button, then the bottom sound button, and then press and hold the power button. I'm going to show you now how this happens. All of these need to be pressed very quickly and one after another at the same time. So, increase the sound, decrease the sound, and then press the power button. But when you get that screen, you don't have to let go and you have to keep pressing that button. In the process of you pressing the button, your phone will automatically turn off. And because of this, it will reboot. You need to keep pressing the power button. In this way, your iPhone will turn off and also turn on. And after it is already turned on and rebooted, you will be able to enter your iPhone password and then work with your rebooted phone. This is the way, friends, you will be able to take on rebooting your hung or frozen iPhone very easily. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.